Hello guys, we are making a one super car. First take this. We can take also this. Like we can change we want. We are putting here all this. Okay, we take this and we take this, put it inside this and see. Boom. And next now, we first take this. Then we take some wheels like this. Then we take 4 wheels like a 4-wheel. There's 4 cars of wheels. Then we take 4 screws. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws in my hand. That's the 4 screws. I do first this. I do this first. I put this inside this, and you see it, and you see it this. You see it this. Now I take the drilling machine like this. Then I take this. I put it over here. I put it over here. It is going inside this hole. Inside this hole. You can see like this and put it like this over inside this and drill like this inside this, and we are drilling this in the straight line. This means it is done. Now we take one more. Then we take one more. If we do this one, and we do 1 minute, guys. We take that. Okay, next round we take one more part, put it over here and put it over here. Same do and drill like this. I drill means done. See, there are 2 wheels, we want 2 wheels over here. Let's do it. We take first this, put it that, like this. We are putting that. Take a screw, put it over there, and we drill that. Sorry. Then we take this. This is string inside this, and I did it. It is all done with all the blue screws on wheels. Next round, we take this. We take this part and put it over here. You see it like this. See it? This like this. Then we take a screw. Then we take one screw, put it here. See, we put it here and see. you look at I putting that inside this hole. And I drill this. See, I'm drilling this shape like this. You see it? It is like this in this. I make this part over here. Okay. Next part. We take this over. Next time this and screw. Put it over next to is like this. Like a two buttons like this. Like a you drill it and you make a like this. Then we make a one more part. This is we are making this. We are making this. We take this part, put it over the middle after this, and do this like this. Put a screw and drill. You make a this. We put this over like this and take a one stick. Take a one stick, put it over here and drill it. Like we put them together like a screw and like this. See, we put this. You see that? Next part is take this particle and put it like this over cross. You see. You see this part. You see these two parts. You put this inside there and take one screw. Put it over there. Put it. Put it over like this. Put it wheel to like this. This goes over here like this. Like a screw is strong and drill it out. Put a screw inside this and drill. Like a boom and boom. You make this license plate in this. Now next we put this. We put this over here. Now we take this. Then we take one more. Let's find it. We find it. One more this. And put it over here. And put like this over here like a number plate. And put like this inside and till you make this sports car. You can do like this. We make this. This is the coolest car in the ever we make in this real life, and it is so cool. And there's a spot, and you can make a boost over here. There's a boost over here. There is a somewhere here. You can do so many things. We can make this. In the next videos, we make this like a. Bye. See you later.